Computer gaming is a fun activity for some people, and for someone, it's a serious business. Gaming computers must have high processing speed, excellent graphics support, and a bright screen, which can easily be ensured in desktop computers. With the advancement of processors, graphical processing units, and RAM, computer gaming has become portable. Yes, I'm talking about those high-power gaming laptops in the market. Among the computer manufacturers, the name of Dell would come to the top of the list, and today we've selected one of its fantastic gaming laptops, Alienware M17, for you.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Alienware M17 is adorned with an alien face and futuristic design that would successfully represent the personality of a gamer. 17-inch diagonal monitor of the laptop is specially designed for gaming. You can expect high brightness and vibrant color output. The thin body of the laptop is made with high quality materials such as magnesium alloy for ensuring its robustness. The laptop comes with Windows 10 installed along with all essential software. Alienware M17 is made for high-performance computing. Its powerful 2.2 GHz core i7-8750H processor with 6 cores ensures speedy command processing of the laptop. 16GB DDR4 RAM in 2 memory slots help the machine to remain fast when the processor is working. You could extend the memory up to 32GB to make it faster. Graphical processing capacity of the laptop is a significant feature that makes it a gaming laptop, and the M17 of Dell's Alienware comes with a 6GB DDR5 NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. The graphic cards would let you achieve more than 60 FPS in most of the games, plentiful for gaming. Alienware M17 comes with an advanced Kyrotech V2.0 cooling technology. It's got a dual fan and load balancing heat pipes to cool the PC when you're heated up. The laptop comes with 256GB PCI Express M2 solid-state drive along with 1TB hybrid drive. You would love the Alien FX lighting feature, as it's customizable as per your wishes. Just like other laptops of Alienware, it comes with all the modern connectivity options: Wi-Fi, USB, HDMI, Ethernet, and Bluetooth. Now let's look into the user ratings and what the users are talking about this amazing gaming laptop from Dell. Alienware M17 has got 4.3 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 53 user ratings on Amazon, which suggests that M17 is recommended by most of the users. Here are some real user comments. One person gave 5 stars and commented, "Amazing value for money. One of the best, if not the best, gaming laptop in this price range. Delivery was super quick and the laptop runs great." Another person has given 5 stars and commented, "Everything about this product is great. It does seem to get a little warm, but I bought an additional cooling fan just to be safe, so it's fine. Best deal ever." Some customers didn't like the laptop. Among them, one gave 1 star and said, "The laptop arrived last night and worked just fine last night. Today the screen lines began shaking and now the screen is distorted." That's all we have on the Alienware M17 gaming laptop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.